conversation ended with her telling me she wasn't going to enforce the rule and would allow her to drive one of her cars at her house. I waited a few days until it was her mom's turn with custody. I called her and she confirmed that she isn't backing off and that she's going to let her drive until the suspension kicks in. I told her that she's actively letting our child endanger her life as well as everyone else's. She told me I'm making this a much bigger deal than it needs to be, and she said that if it was actually that serious, she would have gotten more than a 20-day suspension. How could you not think that that's a big deal? Especially because it's somebody who's a brand new driver. Like she doesn't have multiple years under her belt of driving and just like made a mistake. Like this is a teenager.
Yeah, whatever she kind of does now will set precedent for what she does later.
It says, in my state, the parent that signed the minor driving consent form when you get your license has the ability to have your license revoked. So I did just that. They warned me that this will count as a full revocation on her record and that she will be ineligible to get it again until she's 18. I went through with it and texted her mother to tell her that I revoked her license and sent her a picture of the paper the DMV sent me. She told me I was out of line and making decisions for our daughter without consulting her. I told her that she was neglecting her safety and I wasn't going to allow her to enable our daughter to endanger herself or someone else on the road. My daughter is livid at me and so is her mom, but I feel like I did what I had to do. Am I the asshole? 2 years. Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't know if 2 years.
That's hard.
That is harsh,
That's
but kind of what we were saying. Like if she has one parent who's kind of letting her continue to behave like that and endanger herself and other people, sometimes you got to pull the hard stop out.
Yeah, it's hard. 2 years is a long time. And especially at that age, you kind of think that your friends are your everything. But I also don't think he's the asshole because he's just protecting his daughter and the people that the daughter could have potentially harmed.